Hi, guys. Honey, I gotta find me some of those little barbecue sauce thingamajigs. Because on top of my chicken, I want to add a little barbecue. Yes, this is my stash. Don't be laughing, y'all. You know you do it too. You just too ashamed to admit it. Oh. Well, I thought I had some barbecue. A little barbecue packet. Do you guys like Facebook being offline for a day? You remember in the movie? You remember that line in the movie? Then, not the network. What was the name of the Facebook movie called? Whatever. We can never be offline. Never, ever. You were today. Is that movie a prophecy? Well, damn. Oh, well. Life will go on with no barbecue sauce. So, as you can see, or as you saw, yep, I had to shred me some chicken. Put some extra cheese on my, Oh my goodness, today was a funny day. Because you know he's got to be shitting bricks, right? No offense, but I mean, you fucked over a lot of people, Mark Zuckerberg. Thinking you're on private, and then somebody who hates you takes that to the school or whatever, your job, and says, look, see what Tasha did? And then a lot of people got fired. Universe don't like ugly. Damn, I put this in here for like 3 minutes, and you guys know I don't like hot food, but I wanted my cheese to melt. It melted all right. One nice big clump. Don't matter. Still good. Made me some more hibiscus tea. It's so funny because just like when I got up that morning and it was snowing, I thought I was dead. I didn't think I was dead this time, but I thought, uh-oh, I'm in the twilight zone now. No Facebook. No Facebook. How funny. And in my head, I can hear all those people who hate Facebook and got off of Facebook. See, that's what you guys get. And it's going to go down eventually. Yeah, well. You have the right to feel how you want. Just like we that choose to stay on there feel how we feel. We haven't got choices. I do love my chicken. And then I go to Instagram. Because, you know, I'm like you got a morning routine. Text. Tweets. LinkedIn. Email. Tasha's Touch on Facebook. And then the rest of Facebook. And then Instagram. I'm like, Instagram's on too? Duh. And I thought, hackers. Hackers. And you know, people have got to be, I mean, he's got to be feeling the pain. Hackers got to him. Well, at least that's like, you know, Forbes, CNN, CNBC, blah, blah. That's what they said. I don't read nothing about no Fox News. No. I'm sorry, but Fox News thinks witches eat babies or believe in a devil. So I thought, okay, now the next group of people is going to be everybody saying, oh, it's retrograde. And don't write to me about this. But if you seriously blame retrograde for all your life shit, don't friend me. Get off the bottom. Sun, moon, stars, oceans. We're here way before we were. We gotta fit into their stuff, not the other way around. So, as soon as I saw, I couldn't get any messages. I couldn't send any instant messages. Okay, today's the day to do other stuff. Yep. You can now eat off of my kitchen floors. Don't tell my mom I said that. Because she's one of those that, see, you didn't need to be on Facebook that much anyway. What? If she knew what Facebook was. Hey, today's work will get done before I go to bed. To me, that's all that matters. Nothing can be put off till tomorrow's list. Could you imagine what those hackers are thinking right about now? Ha, ha, ha. We fucked over Mark Zuckerberg. Well, I imagine them thinking that, because if you can put out more posts than we do, there's 3 billion people on Facebook? I don't know. If you could put out more posts than we put out to shut it down, that's saying some shit, okay? That right there is some shit. I didn't have any greens, or else I would have eaten greens with this too, or asparagus. Or cauliflower, or. I do love my vegetables. That's my chicken. See, I worked all day, now I'm getting ready to go to work. My latest and greatest. Sorry. Yes, the back looks almost as good as the front. I'm willing to bet if you wore this backwards, no one would be able to tell. I'm good. You should let me make a piece for you. So I'm going to send that out. Now, that's a freebie. Yeah, one of my customers is just so absolutely glorious and divine. She deserves a nice treat. Okay, I give something free to all my customers, just so you know. Not because you had a big sale or you did me a favor or whatever, no. Everybody gets something free. Because that's what my spirit guides told me to do. I wonder what his face looked like. I'm sorry, I'm not trying to be a bitch, but you did fuck over like the whole world. Really? Do you guys know that? I don't keep up a lot with politics, but I keep up with him. And like whoever's in Forbes and Google. I keep up with them. I do. Could you imagine his face? Who's fucking responsible for this? I still can't get on Instagram. Now I can at least see my messages, but I can't reply to them. Those hackers really know. I know I'm not really going neener, but I am going what goes around comes around. Okay? You guys notice I think I finally got the camera right. So for whoever likes to see food close up, oh well, sorry. God is trying to tell you something. And then could you imagine all the people that really freaked out? Thought they were losing their mind? And then it is so funny to me. What happened to Facebook? What happened? Don't you Google anything? That's why God made it, you know. Fuck you sitting here putting all over Facebook. What happened to Facebook? You gotta wait for Facebook to reply. Only thing he gonna say is what he said in front of Kamala Harris and all them other judges, whatever that room was called. You know, where big things like this happen and you fuck over a whole billions of people. And you got to go to that room thing. What is it called? All the senators and governors and stuff in it. And they hit him on the hand and said, you bring us back this, and like he had like 32 things he was supposed to bring back to whatever that thing Kamala Harris and all them other senators and governors are in. I don't know the name of that, but I know he was there. I saw that trial every single day. Or it probably wasn't a trial, but I don't know the words is what I'm saying, but you know what I mean. You picking up what I'm putting down. Ooh, child, I would just, I'd pay $1 million to be a fly on that wall. Because you just can't go around fucking people over and not get anything back. I just don't think the universe works like that. I don't wish nobody any harm. And for all of you out there who say, one of these days I'd like to see people get their karma back. I don't care about nothing because that's between whatever them and whatever God they believe in. But we all saw it this time. I'm sorry, God. I'm not trying to be a bitch. I just feel for people, but I feel for people too long. I need to let it go. That's one of my downfalls. I remember back in 2008, 2007, a lot of people were getting fired. That's when I remember all the bullshit really starting between family members. You did what? Why didn't you tell me she was dead? Why didn't you know? Why didn't you ever tell us you got married? And then what sticks in my mind is the teacher. Yeah. And she thought she was having a private conversation, private post between her and another person. Yeah, it was private. It clicked. The little button said private. But good old Facebook left that open to the whole free world. Somebody else saw that she said something to the effect of, something like, Johnny's so bad, I wish I could just slap him. We all talk shit about our boss, about our job. First of all, why the hell would you have the need to go and report her anyway? Second of all, that's Mark. And he knew we were unsecure. In the website thing, you see the green, nowadays it's the green lock on any website that shows it's secure. He didn't have no green lock on his website for years and years and years. Some people tell, you got to be careful what you say. Fuck that. We're never secure anyway. And all people say, you're never secure, so I'm never putting anything on there. Oh, please, really? They fucking hacked Facebook. 2 boys, well, back in like 2006, 2007, hacked the fucking pentagram, Fort Knox. Please, really? If I wanted your 16 digits, I could get them. Okay, even me. And back in the day, I professed to be quite a Trinity. Trinity, Matrix, hello. Yep. And it was fun. I didn't do no harm to nobody. That was back when we still had DOS. You remember before Richard Jr. invented the Tetris thing, the tennis thing? Dink, 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 dink. Yeah. Way back then when screens were still black. Good days. I learned a lot. Because back then I was a receptionist. So you meet folks. I'm not saying that word. I don't want nobody knocking at my door. I thought they would. God bless. And then the other people I really, really, really pray for is all of those who had billions of dollars on the line through Facebook. I mean, come on. If Russia can get on Facebook and say, hey, do this, do this, do that, then what about all those legitimate companies that paid for marketing? You know? They paid for services, products, whatever. All that got shut down today. Wow. God bless them. See, it's reasons like that that I'm glad I listened to all my old internet teachers. Own your own content. Who's it? Lisa Irving and Darren Rouse. I mean, if you don't know those two, they're huge. What was the other dude's name with the curly hair? He had some very unique name. I can't think. But yeah, back in the day, y'all, I took tons of classes. Cause I knew that was going to be our future. And I don't want to know everything, but I want to know how to keep my shit running. So, you know, no offense, but this is why you own your own content. You don't depend on Etsy or Facebook or Instagram or Twitter or any of those other storefront type places. You depend on yourself. You pay your own host fee if you don't have your own server. But nowadays, everything is less expensive. You can have your own server. You can serve yourself. Wow. None of us ever saw this coming, huh? I knew something was coming, but I didn't know what, so I'm not even going to lie about that. The headaches. When I get headaches for other people, it's always on top of my head. My headache are only hunger headaches. They're back here in the lower corner. My sister was off. My brother was off. The other sister was off. We're all off. I said, you watch. Something's coming. Something big is coming. It ain't today, huh? I should put that in the video. Because people say, oh, it's going to be easy to say, you know, after it already happened, what was going to happen. You still don't know. Well, I have about 8,000 videos on YouTube. You go see who I am. I don't need to tell you who I am. Click the button. Tasha L. Harris. The Angels Network. Tasha's Touch. Tasha L. Harris. Tasha Harris. I haven't Googled myself lately, but I used to be pages 2 through 10. Man, that's good. You cooked a fine meal, Tosh. With some collard greens would have been made it more better. And monkey bread. All I have is the mud pie stuff from Domino's. And this is, by the way, for you older folks, this is a really cheap dessert to get because you know what I do? I have 1 bite a day because it's so, yeah, you'll see here. All right, so you have to bite in 2. And then come like this. See, and on the inside, yeah, that was my 1 bite from yesterday. That's it. That's why I leave it in aluminum foil, and I put it in a Ziploc bag. You get 2 of them. That's my treat, because I worked my ass off today. You know, so let's all be grateful, but let's all remember, it's a toy. It's not real. You make it real. I make it real. So, I love you. Thank you for sharing dinner with me. Ooh, 21 minutes. I'm getting better at talking and eating, huh? I'm trying. God bless Mark and his family. And the corporation itself. If you never tried hibiscus tea, oh, I meant to bring the leaves so you guys could see it. You know, hibiscus is a flower, right? If I'm not mistaken, it's white, but after it dries out, it turns this color. So it was a nice warm day yesterday and today. So I knew yesterday I better get my tea ready. So I have a big gallon thing. I run the water really super duper 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 hot. Shove the leaves in, and I set it out on the patio. And that sun, you know, just like sun tea, heats it up. And I'm ready to go. Put it in my little tiny plastic containers. That's okay. I'm working on getting some glass ones. And as soon as you guys come on over to Tasha's Touch, I'll be able to buy that water bottle thing that all the other YouTubers, mukbangers use. Coldest water. Yeah, I want to get one of those for my tea. So, in the meantime and in between time, don't forget to be good to you first. Know that I love you and I appreciate you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye, 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 bye. I love you guys. Have an awesome, awesome night. Bye.